Experience driving perfection in the 2012 Ford Expedition. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, heated and ventilated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and power seats. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.